let's take a look at what's new from CMS and show you how to use MedicareCENTER technology to help your process. Scope of appointment updates. Under the new CMS rule, an agent must wait 48 hours after a consumer signs their Scope of Appointment (SOA) before presenting plan information, with some exceptions. MedicareCENTER will track this 48-hour time period, manage any exceptions, and track the types of products your client wants to discuss in their SOA. Pre-Enrollment Checklist. CMS now requires that agents review information contained in a pre-enrollment checklist with each client prior to submitting enrollment during phone meetings. MedicareCENTER's Quote and e-app Enroll will automatically display the Pre-Enrollment Checklist (PECL) to be read through prior to completing the enrollment form. A copy of the PECL will be available for reference as well. Third-Party Marketing Organization (TPMO) Disclaimer. Under this new CMS rule, an agent must use a TPMO disclaimer on their marketing materials that states the number of carriers and plans they're licensed to sell. MedicareCENTER, your personal agent website, PlanEnroll, the call script, and the plans list page will automatically show this information for your use. Compliant communications. When communicating with clients, agents are not allowed to send communications from a domain that contains the word Medicare. Using PlanEnroll, all messages sent to consumers from MedicareCENTER will be compliantly branded to meet the new guidelines. CMS changes can be a challenge to follow, and that's why we want to make sure you have the best tools to run your business and serve your clients. To see these new enhancements and much more of what the Integrity Suite of solutions can do for you, log into your MedicareCENTER account today. We are here to support you every step of the way this AEP.